Before you install any app to lock your folders, watch this video first. In the next 10 seconds, I will show you a hidden Windows trick that lets you lock any folder without downloading anything. Just take a look at this. I double click the folder, access denied. I click on continue, still access denied. Let me show you exactly how you can do it yourself. Let's get started. First, right click the folder and click on properties. Go to the security tab, click on administrators, then edit. Select administrators again, check all control, click apply, then yes, then okay, and okay again, done. Okay, now let's test it. As you can see now, I double click the folder, access denied. Your folder is now locked from anyone who doesn't know this trick. Okay, now let's try to unlock it by right clicking on the folder, click properties, go to security, click administrators, then edit, select administrators, then uncheck deny. Click apply, then okay, and okay again. That's it. Now the folder opens normally. So that's how to lock any folder without installing any software. If this video helped you, like this video, subscribe for more Windows tips, and tell me in the comments what tutorial you want to see next. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next one.